Okay, quick how I make grilled cheese sandwiches. And as you can see, the pan's hot. Just like the last episode, butter, and spread it around, making sure that the whole pan is sort of saturated. And then I'll throw in 2 pieces of bread, toast one side. And we give that a minute. And today we're using just a sliced cheese, not the deli cheese. This is not a formal day. And then you look, got a little bit of toasty on it. So the part we're cooking right now is going to be the inside. We'll put the cheese on the inside, then toast the outside. Then flip this one over. And let it sit for a minute. And it takes time. Sometimes you miscalculate, like I did on this one, and it got a little bit more toasty than some people like, but this is going to be my sandwich. And you can see the cheese is melting. This one I put tomatoes from our garden. We just cut the bad parts off. Flip it over. And what I did with my sandwich was I took the tomato, sliced it up, fried it, put it on a plate, and then I fried some ham, put that on the plate, then I started making the sandwich. And there you go, grilled cheese sandwich. Ta-da! Okay, now we're going to learn how to fry a banana. This is done right after I did the grilled cheese. I turned the pan down so I could prep this part, and you get yourself a banana. And you can pinch this side and peel it. Comes off a little bit easier. And then you can put the banana peel in a bucket of water, let it sit for a couple days to ferment, and then use that to put on your roses, or to water your roses. Okay, so now we got butter. Just remember, this is my style. I'm not telling you how to do it. I'm giving you my suggestion. Then you go back here and slice up. Looks about a 1/2 inch in size, in thickness. And remember, I am not formal, I am not political. This is my house. If you don't like the way things look, get off my channel. You let it sit there for a few minutes. Maybe about a minute, not a few minutes. But when you're cooking, you need to stay focused. You can't be playing with your phone, trying to have a TV program on or what have you. You need to monitor your food. You need to understand and learn how things process while they're cooking. That'll help you the next time around. You can either use a spatula or fork, flip them over. Notice the difference in the coloring. And it's caramelized a little bit. Okay, that one's nice and toasty. You see the difference on that one? Yeah, that one's probably kind of over. Yeah. And I know we don't have smell-o-vision, but there's a smell, there's an aroma that's different than a fresh banana, which is really, really nice. Give that a minute while I prepare my plate. Plate. Butter on my potato. And then I will scoop up. And yes, this is my breakfast Sunday morning. So my grilled cheese sandwich, bananas, potato, mixed vegetables with Brussels sprouts, because these are leftovers from the night before. Yes, leftovers. Those things that you didn't finish but are still edible, I eat those because it saves money. Then with the pan, this is the reason why I use metal or wood, bamboo, to help scrape. You can see some of the gooey stuff on the top here. So you're cleaning that off a bit. Turn that off. Put the pan off to the side, and you're done.